Ilicha Punumapu Kurumjari. I just minor video got Haduga Tau the Vasika Tau Drabanedo. Huzik, Kaino, Tanodo, Zabimoldo, Amanatoram, the Amanatomi Modus Minor, Kaino Munika, you Ngaoraga, Mina, Put and the black and blue and for that lay local people, Naga in Toraga. So talk about Tokama, the Kadai, this had a inoma. Tauraga, photo ga Taura Salai, Raganoma Tauraga Sandore, Tongani, Oidaba, Padavanga, election Matangda, so don't tonari Nupi Ohumlo, Liga and Nupi Ohungi, Maminga PB, the Gate Zat Kano University, get Tantokra Vaniga and hiding but the Haiba, Adu Mamatobani, Adugi type that see, you know, no did not say politics, they are the elements in on the high school, I'm 20 and so. One should be ready. I am perfectly alright. I was used to meeting Tauri, Manipur Masam, the Pami, Mamanga. Mine, Moon also mine was in say some Tari, the Nupina, so hide ever, the Gaina, Chatlaga, but clarify the roads of the talk so in the Sandorakpagi. I am perfectly so talked about the talk. Social media, I see not any way the Mamang Laga, Masai Kanbada. Nasaigi Manipur would Tugaina ba Silakpa sectarian or ideology, the communal or mindset. The Tauraga, there is the minority, right? Kimaming Dama Tauraga Manipur, the Tugaina Bona Kambu, Mogi Mayok Tangang Bagi, Gari, the Gamoina Taugiba, the Tugai Kokaina, Taurakiba, on the singer Kiba, Ade Kambu, Delina Pamu, Pam Amato, Tauraga, Masigi Mayokta, Nangu, Bagi sounding the Oida part of Lamchat Chazat. Taxi Kasi Kai, the Hazard of Ninga, the Tumete, Nagamingi, because we also looked at Taureba Mayam. Sukumba Manipuri, Yegnaba Haitare, Manipurgi, the Giakogi, Kunaigi, Yegnaba, Hona Lonchat Kangaba, Kambu, Hoi Marakta, Makogi, Deligi dictator, Chatpuduyan, in the Buggy, Nang, Buggy, Shaugana, Intanang, Facebook, the Tato Tatunanga, Liba Kambu. Amadi Manipur Tugai Honorable Community Litori by my elite Krana Tauraga Angangs in the misguide to be the na Tauraiba sectarian or ideology the Chapakanguna Moy and Moiskumas in Adum Sandok and Adum Taurakane is part of politics. So this rumor, don't believe it, I am perfectly alright. A non-event is turned into an event and spread on social media. And some people will thrive on that, and our legal team is looking into it. Already we're in touch with the cybercrime branch here. We will take the necessary actions, but in the meantime, thank you so much for your concerns. I am perfectly okay. I am just having a meeting with the delegates here. So I just take a break because they started saying that there are a lot of messages coming in. So I'm perfectly all right. Thank you for your concerns. Please do not believe in these kind of rumors. Get ready as the fight becomes more intense. For the dignity of Manipur and for our well-being, for our own historical sense of responsibility as performed, I expect more such kind of false rumors to come up, and let's get ready for that. But we shall overcome and we will win and defeat these inimical forces of our people and our state. Thank you so much.